Before we begin, remember to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications of new videos from estate123.
Okay, today we are coming to this Southern Cross station. If you are staying around this area, I want to bring you to walk through that how in France you got some trams and all the ways to the end, which you have a coast there. But it's very convenient that it's connecting to all the places, you know, around Victoria. So that's Southern Cross station. You can buy your ticket here if you are not going to your anything online. So you have this ticket information counter. There you can take a look. But the good point is that you do have Hungry Jack's, you know, McDonald's around the corner while you're waiting. From the top left here, you do have a Woolworth, and then crossing the street over, you got a shopping mall. Very convenient, lots of trams connecting. And if you go all the way straight from this street, probably you can go to point you to the Chinatown, you know, to walk around, and some of the CBD Melbourne Central as well. But from the second floor, you can have a much better overview about the whole Southern Cross. You know, all the trains are connecting, you know, all the way. Later we're going to walk over straight down to the stations, you know. Then you got quite well defined, systematic, that you can walk straight to look for the platform that you have. Wow. Yeah, that's, you got a metro shop, metro restaurant here as well, Hungry Jack's. You can get a card, you know, the PT Hub card. It's a public transport card, you know, from here. But it's good for you to do the bus and then the train. You know, I mean, almost all the public transport. I can hear. So looking back into this direction, we're going to this directions, you know, behind me, and then we are all the way to coast. Now it's about 8 o'clock, but it's heading to a summer. That's why it's a bit still a bit bright. Okay, from this direction heading towards the police stations, you know. Well, when you go up here, there's a shopping mall connecting to the Southern Cross station. So in fact, you can take the from the airport with a sky bus directly, you know, reaching here, just for only $20 over. If you buy return, can be only 36. You save some money from here when you return back. All right, and all the way. Oh, it's got some incidents here. I think someone just dropped down here. I don't know what happening. The guard is asking. So you see, there's another very futuristic building from here. Okay, but there's a very good move pick. I think dessert that you can take some coffee and the cakes over here. Tram, or you can take some, you know, some of a lot of like the cars that you can rent the cars. Avis, you know, budget rent a car. So straight away from here, we're not connecting the tram alone, you know, but you can have a trains and also the car rental, or even, you know, I mean the all these like e-scooter move around the city. From this Hungry Jack, just beside Hungry Jack, you got a sky bus, you know, straight away departure to the Melbourne airport. You can just buy the ticket here or online as well. Oh, that's a Hungry Jack's. Car rental, Avis and budget, that you can pick up a car from here. In fact, opposite that you will see the Fifth, you know, or maybe even there's a lot of Airbnb hotels. And straight away you can stay overnight without moving too far away, and plan your route all the time. Very, very convenient with even 7-Elevens here, 24 hours. Get some SIM cards if you need it. Walking by opposite, you have a very good Vietnamese noodle restaurant. and continue with Avis and budget, you still got 6 here to get a car. Alright, so remember this direction is actually towards the police stations, and the other side just now is the building and going to the Frederick stations. The way you can from the police stations there. There's a cold store that you can just come over here, and opposite there's a restaurant, you know, moving towards this is the direction towards the China Street. So in fact there's another shopping mall. You can go up all the way from Spencer Outlet Centers. Quite a lot of good bargain store over here, but today is closed. I may see whether I can come tomorrow morning again. Okay, as we mentioned, we are coming up yesterday that it's closed by 9, so we're coming to the Spencer Outlet Center again. Let's see what's happening inside. We do have you know, some fashion store, Harris Craft here, Kermis Pharma, you know, so quite a lot of things that you can shop inside this center while you're waiting to go for somewhere else in Southern Cross Station. Very easy, very identical, very strategic locations. So we are actually walking around, even the first row, the second row behind, you know, all the way to the food courts. So there's a lot of things you can stay some time if you come early, you know, around this area. You know, a lot of discounted store as well. Spend less for the shoes, you know, and taking the Southern Cross Station all the way to the Melbourne Central and test out the experience. Well, just coming from using the NFC. Later we will show you again using the MSC. You can just add the PTV card. Alright, the train is coming and we are going to Melbourne Central now. And I will let you see how the MFC works, you know, in a way.